So this one in here is actually our, as part of our water catchment or water collection system. We call it the rain chain that actually collects all the water from the rooftop going into this basin here. So the water that we'll be collecting will be used for watering the plants or for washing your garage. Or as you can see, we build our houses with more eco-friendly features in line with our eco-friendly and green concept. So basically, we build our houses with large doors, wide windows, and we even install louvers for natural ventilation for the air to easily come in and come out. This one in here is our collection of our medicinal herbs. Part of our development is also to promote organic lifestyle with the introduction of our organic farm. So everything here is organic. We're using natural pesticides